Supplier Lifecycle Operations enables organizations to collaborate with suppliers, manage relationships, and monitor risks across the supplier lifecycle. Supplier management activities come together in the source-to-pay workspace. Teams onboard new suppliers, respond to requests, and resolve open cases, all from a single location. Performance and compliance are tracked on a unified platform. Direct task assignment is available to supplier contacts. Real-time tracking shows exactly where each activity stands. When new suppliers join, agentic AI streamlines their onboarding journey. Registration and compliance requirements are automatically guided through structured workflows. AI-assisted summarization provides case context, and highlighted details accelerate decision-making. Every supplier inquiry, issue, and request gets logged and tracked through case management. Structured workflows support issue resolution. Guided resolution happens through interactive playbooks, which support consistency across supplier interactions. Teams follow structured processes to address inquiries. Comprehensive dashboards reveal supplier performance across quality, delivery, and compliance. Regular performance reviews drive continuous improvement. Self-service capabilities are available for supplier contacts through the Supplier Collaboration Portal. They can register, complete tasks, and submit requests directly without an intermediary. Suppliers can submit requests and track their requests in real time. Supplier Lifecycle Operations provides centralized collaboration, performance tracking, and automated workflows for supplier management.